I'm here, don't worry. Hi, I'm Melanie Williams. I'm a patient of Dr. Lau, and I also go to the Awaken Spa. And I'm very happy to say that both the treatment with Dr. Lau and the massage have helped to make me very comfortable. I had a lot of back pain. I had just gotten used to back pain. I was in a car wreck. My daughter and I both were in a car wreck last May, and we were rear-ended. And anybody who's ever been in a car wreck or any kind of injury knows that your back doesn't just get better on its own, and it doesn't stop hurting, you know, without direct manipulation. You have to do something to get it back to where it needs to be. And I had had some treatment before. I lived in Tacoma, Washington, and I had had some treatment before. And I have had enough experience to know that you can benefit from chiropractic care for the rest of your life. And so when I moved here to Tulsa, I was looking for a chiropractor, and I said, I gotta have the right one. I gotta have the right one. I'm telling you, I'm so happy that I found Dr. Lau. I've never met him before, and I knew that I needed to be here. When I walked through the door, I said, yeah, I like this. I love the atmosphere here, the staff, and they didn't tell me to say this. They're really awesome. Woohoo! And they're very friendly and welcoming, and I like the natural setting, the weed grass in the back and the stones, and it just looks very welcoming and, you know, makes you feel relaxed. And it's been probably about 2 months of treatment now, and honey, I'm able to sit up straight, I'm able to walk, I'm ready for the runway. Woohoo!